Do aliens exist? Yes, they do, and their name is the Hardy Brothers. Jeff Hardy, confirmed alien. Look at that. Is that a human or is that an alien? This is the Impact Wrestling TNA Ringside Collectibles exclusive, so you know it's rare and stuff. So they come with an easy-to-open case. And here he is. The spooky man himself, coming with a little rope, like a Cinderella rope, so he can climb down or something. Hold on, I need to pause and do stuff. So I am the YouTube jobber sensation of this generation, so of course I noticed there's like spidey wire and stuff connecting the shirt together on the side that you get like with tags and stuff. So I think that means that we're not supposed to remove that. And of course the helmet he was wearing has one of those too, so I'm not going to remove that because under the shirt it's just black. So I think the shirt is supposed to always stay on. And I think that this might be the same body as the Jax WWF, WWE, Jeff Harvey, that's his name, right? Like Batman. Look at his face though, look at that paintwork. This is definitely a spooky figure, so if you're a little scared, I'm sorry. His mouth is wide open like he's ready to yell at you or something. He's wearing a hairstyle that is very reminiscent of Seth Rollins, and if you don't know who that is, if you're big on the indies, it was Tyler Black, and it's ironic because Tyler Black's hair is now black and bleach. It comes with a spooky little ram mask. Is this supposed to be like prototype to Willow Mania? You know what I'm saying? And then you can just put it on and you can do spooky stuff, and it looks really big, way too big if you ask me. Then again though, Jax figures are always kind of big and kind of odd. Now if you can handle it, I'm going to compare him to the previous incarnation of this Jeff Harvey masked figure, and you can see the stylistic differences. Yes, they're like both aliens, they're both the same size. The helmets are slightly the same, so it's really cool to see how far the Jeff Hardy figures have evolved. Personally, I think that this Jeff Hardy figure is a bit better paint-wise and stylized, and a bit better outfit, but overall, if you want like true Jeff Hardy removable mask, you get this ringside exclusive. And you know what, I didn't even do the full 360, so sorry. Okay, here we go, 360 coming right at you. You see that? Boom, 360. YouTube jobber, I can't even. Okay, 360, there you go. Hopefully you're getting the full 360 that you want to see. This is Jeff Hardy. I never watched TNA. I watched it like twice, and I don't know what this is. This is probably precursor to Willow, right before he fought the Young Bucks and Generation X or whatever, Generation Me, I don't know. But overall, this figure is pretty cool, and as a Jeff Hardy, thank you for watching. Good night. This review was so bad. Let me just explain why it was so bad. I woke up, I had like no sleep last night, and I woke up and my allergies were bugging me. So instead of getting non-drowsy Allegra, I accidentally grabbed my drowsy Benadryl. So today I am definitely a YouTube jobber and a real life jobber because I just want to go back and sleep, but I just woke up, you know what I'm saying?